This is the IrajStarTv, the historic decision of the first unconventional and real People's Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir. PM Azad Jammu and Kashmir Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan decides not to take PM's monthly salary and other benefits. Notification issued. In the past too, Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan had set an example by deciding not to take salary, fuel and other benefits from the senior-most Minister of State Exchequer. Now that he is the Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir, he has decided not to take up the PM's salary and other privileges while maintaining the tradition of his past. Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan was the provincial minister in the caretaker setup of Punjab in 2018, and later became the special assistant to the Chief Minister of Punjab and also the chairman of the Board of Investment and Trade. Even then, he did not receive any salary or benefits from the Punjab government. The decision of the Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan not to take any salary or concessions has set an example. Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan is the first minister and Prime Minister in the 75-year history of Azad Kashmir who has decided not to take any salary or benefit. Viewers, you too must express your opinion in the comment box. For more news and updates, subscribe to our channel.